Tired of that overflowing drawer of plastic bags? Let's transform your cluttered shopping bag situation into a model of eco-friendly household tidiness. First, let's tackle those reusable grocery store bags. The key is consistent folding. For most fabric bags, simply lay them flat. Fold them in half lengthwise, bringing one side over to meet the other. Then, fold it in half again, or even thirds, depending on the bag size, to create a narrow, manageable rectangle. Now, find a convenient spot. A drawer organizer with dividers is perfect for keeping these neatly separated. Alternatively, you can use a decorative bin or even a large jar. Just slot them in upright. For those unavoidable plastic bags, we're going to employ the knot trick. Grab the handles and tie them together securely. This prevents them from expanding and taking up unnecessary space. You can then stack these in a bin or keep them together with a rubber band. For a truly streamlined approach, consider a wall-mounted bag dispenser. These are fantastic for kitchens or mudrooms, keeping bags readily accessible without adding to counter clutter. Fabric bag holders, often with an elastic bottom opening for easy dispensing, are another excellent option. Hang them on a hook near your door or pantry. By implementing these simple techniques, you'll not only reduce clutter and make your shopping trips easier, but you'll also be actively promoting environmental responsibility. One bag at a time. Embrace a tidier home and a greener planet with these practical grocery bag storage solutions.